Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to download Zoonomaly horror game in mobile, and all we have to do is to try checking on the Play Store if we do have that type of a game. As you can see, I had already searched for it, and we're going to check if we have that type of a game. In the case that we cannot be able to find it, we're going to go back and we're going to access our settings. We're going to head on over to our app management. Then we're going to tap on app list. From there, we're going to navigate until we see Google Play services. We're going to tap on it. Then we're going to tap on full stop. From there, we're going to go back and we're going to do the same thing to Google Play Store, which is forced to stop. From there, we're going to go back to Play Store and then try searching for that game again. In the case that still you can't be able to access that game, another thing that we can actually do is to try searching on our web's browser, and we're going to search for Zoonomaly horror game. As you can see, I had already searched for it. So once you found the one that is going to suit you better, I would suggest that you download it and you'll be able to play that game. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.